Here's how we can bench press in Madden NFL 26. So when you start, you will start with pushing both left and right analog sticks upwards like this, and you will keep pushing the bench until you reach the release target, essentially, so the green zone at the top. Once you reach that target, you will have to release both analog sticks, and you will have to keep spamming or rapidly pressing these two buttons, so left and right bumper or L1 and R1 depending on your controller. And you have to keep doing this all the time until you are in the lift target, so the green zone at the bottom of the bar. Once you reach that green zone, you want to stop spamming these two buttons and once again push with left and right analog sticks. And you need to keep doing that until you don't have any more strength to continue. So let me quickly demonstrate. So we're gonna immediately start with pushing both left and right analog stick. And just push it towards the top side. But you want to avoid the penalty area, so the red part. And now left and right bumper. Just keep pushing. Unfortunately, I entered the penalty area for a bit, but let's just keep going. And as you can see, this is how it looks like. Once you are at the top, you want to release both analog sticks and keep spamming left and right bumper, or L1 and R1. And if you are at the bottom side, then you want to push with both analog sticks. And just keep doing that until you no more have any strength to keep pushing. There we go, 17, and probably one more, maybe one more. And there we go, 19. I'm sure we can get more than that, but this is how we can do this. So, thanks for watching, leave a like, and subscribe.